Okay, guys, so in this session, we are going to learn about relation between report definition, report definition, and report category and shortcut, and how do we use the reports. Okay, so we already know what the report definition is. We have written a few sample report definitions. Report categories. So if you look at this user portal right there, so Pega has a harness reports that you can configure on any portal, right? And obviously the portals are for users, right? User centric portals. So if user needs to have access to any of those reports, you add the reports there, right? Reports harness um, on that portal, and any user of that portal can actually click on the reports and see all the reports that you have made available. So Pega already had various category of reports out of the box, okay, which is available to by default every user. So for example, you can see category here. These are the categories, okay. So category is used to group the reports together for one single purpose, or right, that's where we use category. So for example, this is saying open cases. We have only one report in the open cases that will tell us, if you just click on this, it will open the report and you can see the data, right? So category is used to link the cases, and shortcut is used to put the report definition into a category. Okay, so this is something that we use to put a report definition into a category. Report definition is the actual report, basically, that gets fetched from the database, and category is where we group them together. All right. So we are going to create a few for ourselves. So we are going to bring in basically, let's say created, all the accounts created um, in the last month. Okay. So first, let's create a report definition in the account table class. That's where the data is. So we will create one report definition. Okay. This is going to be data. Sorry. This is account, right? So let's select account ID, account type, CID. That should be enough for the moment. Oh, account. What else do we have here? Status. Okay. Save it. Oh, it should be in the previous month. So we can apply that filter here where px create date time. That's the out of the box property that holds the create date of that record. And you have, sorry, not function. So on the date, we have these relative filters, okay? Relative dates selectors, you can say. So we will say just previous year, previous month, this one, previous month, okay? Alternatively, you can provide a date and less than greater than, you can do that as well. But this is symbolic filter that is very useful for, and it is available for dates only, okay? All right, let's run this. Hmm, not there. Let me remove that filter to check the data first. So I'll add px create date time as well just to check what value we are getting there. I'll remove this. Okay, so we are not populating the px create date time. That's why the filter did not work. But that's okay. Let's just have it like this, okay, without any filter. Now I need to make this report available to the users, okay. So what I'll do is I'll create a shortcut. All right. In the same class, I'll create a shortcut. This is again in the reports shortcut. Sorry, before the shortcut, I need to create category because the shortcut is used to link them. So I'll say accounts report. Standard, okay. Everyone is owner. If you say shared, you will have to specify which access group, and if you say personal, then it will be to a user. I will say standard, okay. Create and open. All right. Display in report browser when? When do you want to display it on the report browser? If you want to check any condition, but if you leave it blank, it will always be displayed. So we want to have it always displayed. Now, next thing that we need to do is create a report shortcut. This is accounts in month standard again, and which category we want to add it to. All right. So see the categories are shown here. Account reports is what we created. Create and open. Any title. This is all report definition, right? So this is going to have, so there are list view and summary view. These are deprecated reports type, okay. We used to have them basically earlier prior to 7, okay. We used to have list view and summary view. That is deprecated now. We are using report definition only, okay. Which class that does that report belongs to? So CP data account, the identifier. So it's PZINS key of that report. So we can select it here. So this is the one last one, right? Get account by. If it needs any parameter, provide that parameter. Otherwise, it will not ask for it. So now, if I go here and refresh the reports, filter it, I see an accounts reports category, right? I click that, there is a report. So I can have more than one report in a category. That is all okay. So this is how shortcut are linking the report definition to report category, and report category we are making available to the user on the portal, on their respective portal. So that's about the relation between these three. Thank you.